Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my cotton cuts, and I know it's late. I got this box while I was, oh my goodness, I think I was on the retreat. This box came in. I came back and I was like so totally swamped with so many sew-alongs that I had committed to, that unboxings kind of took a little side push a little bit. So I am so excited to open this. In fact, I think I'm about to get the next one. So I thought, let's get these boxes open to show you guys what's inside. I'm sure that there are plenty of other people who have been opening them, but I know with this one, we all get different stuff. So let's open it up and see what's inside for July. Okay. I'm all excited. Oh, I love this. Smile more, worry less. And my box was put together by Joey. And I have florals, reproduction, holiday seasonal, juvenile and children's, and blenders. I have got, it is just chockers full of all kinds of great stuff. Okay, for July, the designer spotlight is Shannon Fraser. And let's see, it says Shannon, did I say Shannon? I hope I said Shannon. Shannon is a modern quilter designing patterns that inspire and encourage sewists of all levels to pursue the joy of quilting. Known for her love of color and bold graphic designs, her patterns have been featured in various publications including Love Patchwork and Quilting and the 2019 Quilter's Planner. Based in Montreal, Canada, you'll normally find Shannon working in her home studio, hanging with her trusty sewing companion, Pips, a ragdoll cat. I love ragdolls. They're so gorgeous. And drinking copious amounts of coffee, all while trying to wrangle her fabric stash. A self-taught quilter, Shannon loves sharing what she's learned through her quilty trials and tribulations. You can find free tutorials, inspirational projects, and loads of resources to help you succeed in your quilting journey on her website, www.shannonfraserdesigns.com. For daily inspiration, you can find her on Instagram at Shannon Fraser Designs. Okay, way cool. She and I sound like we have a lot in common, except she's a lot prettier, look. Very cool. And so we have 4 of her patterns to choose from. She's got cloud surfing, flight plan, Irish vortex, and reverberance. I'm kind of, gosh, I'm like caught between flight plan and reverberance. So what do you guys think? Here are the options. Cloud surfing, flight plan, Irish vortex, reverberance. What say you? Everybody gets a vote. Everybody gets a vote. Okay. Let's see. So our block of the month is, or was, Irish chain. And there it is. You can color in the sheet on the back and post it on Instagram. You have until the 15th of this month to get that done, and then you can win a Chroma Petite Pop. And you want to use the hashtag CC Color Challenge. Right there. Okay. Here's our little lanyap. We have this month, oh, I see Tula Pink and I get excited. Tula Pink homemade ribbon from Renaissance Ribbons. Oh, cool. It's down on the side. Hold up. Okay, so here it is. And they've got it just wrapped up so it doesn't get all over the place. So let me take that off. And then we got quite a big piece. And it goes 1 through 6 inches and then it starts up again. So depending on what you're using it for, that's pretty cool. Woo! And I'm sure we got all different ones. They have so many. Renaissance Ribbons is really excellent for all kinds of ribbons. So this one, it just says it's from homemade. But that's cool. And I love all of her pieces with the sewing machine on them. I know that's the one we all love the most, but that one's really cute too. Okay. Yay, lanyap. Now here is my fabric. So I'm gonna pull it out, put the box down. Jellybean get all excited down there. Here you go, buddy. And here it is. My collection of fabrics. Oh my goodness. And now that I've got like all 5 of the types of like categories that I've asked for selected, I know that it's going to be tougher because there's some more to go with. Okay, so let me just tell you what each one has. The floral is Bloomington by Layla Boutique for Moda Fabrics. I got papers flying all over the place. The reproduction is Nap Time 4, I think. Roman numeral IV is 4, right? Y'all, it's been a long time since I had to think about that. Longer than I want to admit. Okay, so Nap Time 4, I think, by Darlene Zimmerman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. The holiday seasonal. Ooh! I just had, hold up. Midnight Magic by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics. And I just bought a charm pack of the Midnight Magic, and I think it's really cool. So hopefully, I think I'm looking at what I think is the, yeah, okay. You know what? Honestly, like I'm looking at it and I know what some of them are, like just by looking down. All right, you guys, I got this one in the bag this month. I got this one in the bag. I'm just going to say. All right, just saying, just putting it out there. And the juvenile and children's fabric is the Heather Roth. I can't believe I just said that. I am so sorry, Heather Roth. She's not Heather Roth. Okay, I need to not take such a break from unboxings, obviously. Heather Ross, 20th... Oh gosh, I could totally edit this out, but I'm not gonna. Okay, let's start over. The juvenile and children's is Heather Ross 20th anniversary by Heather Ross for Wyndham Fabrics. Whew, I got it out. The blenders are True Colors by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. Yay! So excited. Okay, so let me pull this, take the little ribbon off and pull it out. And we are going to get guessing here. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that like Joey has kept each one of the things together, which, thank you, Joey, very helpful for me. Usually they mix them all up in there and then make it all difficult. I think that Joey has kept them together, and that was very helpful. Thank you, Joey. Love you. Haven't even met you yet. Okay, so here they are again. And I'll just go down from the top because I think that they're in that particular order. And I'm like, oh my goodness. And also, like, there's only... Oh, and see, that happened. I'm loving everything I got. I'm telling you. So, okay. I'm saying that this one, and I know I'm right about this one. This is True Colors by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. For sure. Faux shizzle. Now, if this is the first time that you're watching one of my Cotton Cuts Classics videos, and you are unfamiliar with the game I'm playing, I go through all the fabrics and I make a guess as to what I think the fabric is according to the contents on the little sheet here. And my goal, of course, is to hit 100%. I don't always hit 100%, but what'll happen is you will hear something coming out of my mouth. Whatever is written on the bottom of the video here is the actual truth of what the fabric is. So if I say something different than what is written on the bottom, just know that whatever is written on the bottom of the video is the gospel truth, and whatever's coming out of my mouth is my guess, so to speak. Okay, so that was the first one. This one is also True Colors by Tula Pink. And like I said, since Joey was nice enough to put them all together, I think I'm going to get them all right. Okay, and this next one, this is definitely Midnight Magic by April Rosenthal for Moda. It is a Halloween line of fabric, and it's gorgeous, guys. If you haven't seen the whole thing, you need to go check it out. If I can find the line in a picture somewhere, I will definitely share that with you guys so you can see it. I think it's adorable. This is also Midnight Magic by Okay, I'm getting a little frustrated with myself now because it's not funny anymore. It was funny like the first couple times. All right. This is Midnight Magic by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics. I love this one. I totally love this one. And wait till you see the next one. Y'all know I love Halloween fabrics. Oh my goodness. Me and Halloween, we like this. This is also Midnight Magic by April Rosenthal for Moda. And look at this plaid. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love ginghams and plaids. So, especially whenever it's just, you know, colors like this that like, and it goes with everything. I just love it. I love it. Totally has a place in my collection. Okay, so this is... Let's see if I can finally get it out right. This is Heather Ross 20th Anniversary by Heather Ross for Wyndham Fabrics. And I love Heather Ross. Like, you know how I'm always saying that there's always something that, you know, in a collection that maybe I don't like. I like most of her stuff. I especially love this particular print with the mama kitties and the baby kitties and mama's carrying the babies, and I just love this one. This is one of my favorites of hers. Okay, you knew I was going to love the one with the kitty cats no matter what. And all right, this is also Heather Ross 20th Anniversary by Heather Ross for Wyndham Fabrics. And it's just this lovely coral color with all the little butterflies on it. Love it. Okay. Oops. Okay. This next one is actually one where it's like, I am like 98% sure that I know what this one is. And I am going to say that it is Heather Ross 20th Anniversary by Heather Ross for Wyndham Fabrics. Let me open it up some more because it's got a nice print on it. See there? Now this one I like, but I think that I would probably like pick certain things out, like the little kitty cat sleeping in the tree and the little girl in the tree, stuff like that. The colors for me are a little bit too dark, but I still love like little pieces of it. Like Heather Ross is really great if you like to do fussy cutting. And lots of people get her fabric just for the fussy cutting. I mean, I know of a lot of people who do that. So, okay. And then I am quite sure... I'm sure I'm right about this, just because I'm coming down to where I know what the last two are, and so these two must be this one because I haven't done it yet. So this is Nap Time 4, I'm pretty sure. And it is by Darlene Zimmerman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And at first I thought I had it upside down because I saw this little guy, but then this one's turned this way. So it's a nice toss. You can put it in any direction. It might look a little funny this way. But whether you have it like this or flipped 180, you should be just fine with it. Okie dokie. And then the next one is also Nap Time 4 by Darlene Zimmerman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And this one has little birds on it. And flowers. Birds and flowers. Okay. And then finally, this is from Bloomington by Layla Boutique for Moda Fabrics. And y'all know that's Layla Boutique. You know that that is Bloomington. I have had so much Bloomington on my channel in the past month or so that you know it's Bloomington. This one, there was no doubt. And this is also Bloomington by Layla Boutique for Moda Fabrics. It is a lovely coral background with the white and, I don't know, would you call that khaki? I don't know. It's beautiful. I love it. The colors go together so well. Okay. Listen, I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure I got that 100%. Look how I'm like, y'all, I am not that busty. I have to tell y'all, I'm really not. I'm like bursting out of this shirt like, you know, I am not busty. I'm really not. I mean, I got like, never mind. Why are we talking about this? Who brought this up? All right, so I got them back in the box. They almost came flying out. Where's the ribbon? Where's the ribbon? Okay, so lovely, lovely, lovely fabrics. Which one's your favorite? I would love to know which line is your favorite. Do you have a specific favorite one? Do you love them all? Do you hate them all? I know you couldn't possibly hate them all. I mean, come on. But anyways, you guys go ahead and leave a message down below, a little comment for moi, and I will comment back to you. I try really hard to comment back on every single person. I read every single email. Well, I do read every single email, but I also read every single comment on my videos. If you are here for the first time, we have loads of fun here, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you have notification every time I have a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. For those of you guys who've been around a while, love you to bits and pieces, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.